In this lesson, we talk about the speed of audio in Filmora 12. So open your Filmora and drag and drop your project, right? And then right click and detach your audio from your video, right? And then select your audio, right? And from here you see the control panel audio, and from here you see the audio speed. So click on the audio speed. So it is the 1 second, it means the normal. When I increase it, right, so you see that the volume is increased and the size of the file is decreased. And when I decrease the volume, so the file size is increased and the volume is decreased, right? From here click it and click it to reset the volume is reset, right? You also change it from here, right? Then 0 press and then enter, and the volume is increased, right? From here you click it and the volume is will be reset the speed. From no, first I play it, I delete this portion, right? Then delete it. We only want to listen my lecture. Hello student, in this video we talk about how to import media folder. It is my normal voice, right? When I click on the volume and then click on the reverse speed, so my talking will goes to the reverse, right? You see that the my voice is goes to the reverse. When I click on it, it will goes to the normal. Open your Filmora software, right? And from here you use the speed ramping. It is the uniform speed. And from here click on it, the speed ramping, right? So first we from here click on this button to see all the option. It is the flash out option, right? From here you also changing it. Click here to increase or decrease your volume, right? You also use the section to apply on it. The section is applied, right? And from here you use the flash out, right? Jumper, bullet, right? A hero moment and montage. And from here you use the custom setting, right? So from here you use the custom setting. Also want to decrease or decrease, from which part you want to increase your audio speed, so increase it, and from which part you want to decrease it, so decrease it. And here is the right, the 1x, and upper is the 5x and upper is the 10x, and from downside 0.5x and 0.1x the volume size, and from here is the maintain pitch, right? You also use a save as custom. When you set your volume setting, then click on the save as custom and your volume will be set as custom, the preset one. You also delete it. So I click on it and I delete the preset, right? So it is the method how to increase or decrease your speed, and from here you click on the reset, right? And the other method is click on it, right click, and from here is click you see the speed ramping, and from here you see the uniform speed. When I click on the speed ramping, so this window will be open, and then right click and click on the uniform speed. The uniform speed will be open. You also show the control panel on here, right? So it is a short video about how to increase or decrease your volume speed.